Now, what is the countdown to bar close feature on TradingView? In our price scale here, we can see 52 minutes and 20 seconds and counting. What is that? That is simply the countdown until the next bar in this time frame changes. So we are in the 1 hour time frame. If I go down to the 1 minute time frame, in 3 seconds, the candle will form. And now there's a new candle. How do you turn this on? You right click on canvas, scales and lines, and you just click this button here. Unclicking it, you see the countdown disappears. Clicking it again, and the countdown reappears. Now, this feature is for technical traders who are strict in entries and exits regarding candle formations. For example, maybe your entry is on new low on the hourly, but you have to wait for the hourly to close, or break out using the 10-minute time frame. But the entry rule is that the 10-minute candle has to close above a certain level. Traders who are very strict with their entry and exit tend to like countdown to bar close. Have a great day, guys.